My dear viewers, now discuss air and atmosphere based on icse class 6 part 3. Please show the part 1 and part 2 related this video. Please show the description box. Now the question type differentiate between the following. At first discuss respiration and photosynthesis. Now respiration, a process that involves breakdown of food, that is glucose. Chemical formula of glucose C6H12O6 in the presence of oxygen to release energy. Please show the related picture. Next part, photosynthesis. Okay, now a process occurring in green plants in which carbon dioxide and water react in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce food and oxygen. The reaction involved in photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water at the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, okay, form food, that is glucose and oxygen. Please show the related picture. Okay, next difference between liquid fuels and gaseous fuel. Okay, liquid fuels, these are fuels that exist in the liquid state at room temperature. Example, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Okay, please show the related picture. Next part, gaseous fuel. Okay, gaseous fuel, that is there are fuels that exist in the gaseous state at room temperature. Example, LPG, CNG. Please show the related picture. Okay, next differences between electroplating and galvanization. Okay, electroplating, the process of coating iron object with metal that do not corrode is called electroplating. Metal like tin, nickel, chromium are used for electroplating, which prevent rusting of iron. Okay, please show the related picture. Next part, galvanization, the process of coating iron objects with a thin layer of zinc metal is known as galvanization. Zinc is corrosion resistant metal, hence it is prevent rusting. Please show the related picture. Next difference between troposphere and thermosphere. Okay, troposphere, it is the layer closest to the earth's surface. It extends up to 17 km from the earth's surface. The cloud that you see appeared in the troposphere. As the altitude increases, the temperature of this layer decreases. Next part, thermosphere. Okay, it extends from about 85 to 500 km above the earth's surface. Satellite and the International Space Station orbit the earth in this layer. My dear viewers, my dear students, please show the related picture. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you, my dear viewers.